guys, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. Another Crown Vic video for you. This one I'm going to be cleaning out the stains of this driver's side seat. Show you how I do that. It's a pretty simple process. I've got a drill attachment with a brush on it, and I've also got a pretty strong cleaner. It's called Bilt Hamber Surfex HD. I stumbled across that one after looking at a number of YouTube videos by this one channel. I think the guy quit making videos, but it was a channel called Hotchkiss Performance. There's a guy out of the UK, and he was awesome. I love watching his videos. He always started it with a cup of tea. He'd say, "Time to put the kettle on." Just every video it was like, "Time to put the kettle on," and he would just go to making a thing of tea or whatever and pour some milk in there. I think that's what he was making, unless it was coffee. It looked like tea to me, but whatever the case, his videos were awesome. I used to watch them all the time, and he quit doing them. I think he just said he had too much going on. He decided to quit doing the channel. But anyway, he did a really extensive video, a comparison video between Surfex HD and a number of other all-purpose cleaners or degreasers or whatever you want to call them, and Surfex HD just beat everything in every test he did. And he did a real scientific breakdown. It was an awesome video. I encourage you guys to, if you're looking for some good cleaning solutions for your vehicle, check out some of his videos. Check out that one specifically. He's got some other stuff, and he's the guy that put me onto the Clean Green Monster as well, because he was doing a video on that. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna be using. Long story short, I'll be using Bilt Hamber Surfex HD to clean this, and you can dilute it quite a bit. I've actually diluted mine. I think I've got it in the 10-to-1 to 20-to-1 range, somewhere in that neighborhood. You really don't want to use it much stronger than about 10-to-1. Just wanted to take you in and let you see the stains. I mean, they look like coffee to me. I don't know, could be something worse. I'm hoping that's coffee, that brown color. I've got really a two-step process for cleaning. That's going to be, first thing is going to be the drill, and then the second thing is going to be a little carpet vac, little Bissell Machine, which has like a extractor, and I'll leave links to everything in the description. So here we go with the drill. Oh, I forgot to mention, this has already been vacuumed, so that's obviously the first step before you do anything, but it's already been vacuumed. So now it's just time to start the cleaning process. So here we go. So here's what I'm working with. I've got a damp microfiber utility towel. I've got my cordless drill with a big brush on it, and this is the brushes that I bought. Came with 3. This is the softest of the 3. There was 3 colors: a white one, a yellow one, and a red one. And the white was the softest, the yellow was medium, and the red was very stiff. I think you want to use a soft bristle on your interior. You really don't want to try and scrub too hard, so that's what I'm using. And here's a diluted bottle of Bilt Hamber. So I think what I'm going to do first is soak this a little bit. I'm going to move this drill out of the way, but I'm going to soak where the stain is. This is Bilt Hamber. Take this microfiber towel. Let's see if it comes up. See, I think it's actually picking it up pretty good there already. It's hard to tell since it's a green towel. I think that actually picked up. So I'm going to go through the whole seat and do that really quickly. And I'm not going to show you that process, but I'll show you the process when I get the drill going. So here we go with the drill. I'm going to focus on the areas that had the most stain. Pretty much it. I'm not gonna scrub the whole seat. Well, we got one more spot, but I'm not gonna scrub the whole seat. I'm gonna come back behind this foam with the green microfiber, try to pick it up and do that really quick, and then the last step is going to be to get that extractor out here. And I think it looks like the Bilt Hamber knocked this out pretty good, so yeah, we'll get the extractor next and show you that part. But that's pretty much it. I mean, you don't really have to go crazy. Like I said, I just applied Bilt Hamber. You know, I wouldn't say saturated. I probably just gave each panel or each little section about 10 sprays, maybe 15 tops. And again, this microfiber was damp, so those two things working in conjunction, you know, just going through the seat with that as the first phase of cleaning it, and then the second phase is to go back behind it with the brush and some more Bilt Hamber. So, you know, I hit it with another 10 sprays or so and just scrubbed it with that brush. And I didn't want to sit there and scrub it for very long, because I just don't want to damage this cloth. You know, I'm sure you can if you really go at it with that brush, you know, for extended periods of time and use a lot of force. I didn't use much pressure at all, if any, really, just the weight of the machine. So so yeah, that's kind of the thought process for me on this cleaning. So I'm gonna go and get the extractor, and again, I'll show you that part. So here we go. So this is my little Bissell machine. I got a little scrub handle here with it disperses the liquid, and I put hot water along with some more Bilt Hamber inside there. So I'm gonna turn this on and start going to work. It's gonna be a little loud, so probably go on mute after this, but just want to show y'all how this is set up, and it's a little closer. I can reach now. Here we go. So I think you guys see how this thing is picking up, and I'm gonna kind of stop with the videoing of this, and this is gonna be the end of this video. I'll probably at the very end just show you what the container looks like, because I'm gonna keep going through the seat and you know, try to get all the bolsters and the seat back and everything. But I just wanted to show you how it looked on the you know, lower section of the seat. So I think you guys could see it was pulling up what I like to call chocolate milk. Doing a pretty good job. So I'm gonna keep going and probably let you guys see what goes into the container. It's gonna look like coffee or something, some brown liquid. Yeah, liquid shit. So it's not quite as brown and nasty as the last time I did some seats, but that's still nothing you want to be riding around sitting on top of. That's pretty gross. So I'm guessing these seats are gonna look a million times better. So I'll let you guys see what the end result is after they've dried. But right now they look really good, and this looks really gross. So I'll do some before and after pics. Again, thanks for watching. See y'all on the next one.